our friends in the future, Tomorrowland.
It looked like a chipmunk. A fat one, but a chipmunk nonetheless.
Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
It's really cold off this.
The backside of the forest.
Did you want me to put that on the fanny pack?
Oh no, it's fine.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Because I'm carrying everything else on the fanny pack.
Because they go to the World Fair.
Oh, look.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astro blasters, and if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail.
It's only 4 feet taller than
This is the
Spencer.
latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire
How tall is
Western
that?
Hemisphere.
6 foot?
Gliding above Disneyland since
He's taller than Spencer,
1959.
isn't he?
Who?
Adam.
I think so.
Monorail
Right, a couple
and
inches.
us on the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia.
I don't know what it is.
Drivers
but
of all
his
ages
shoes
can
made
get
him
behind the
taller.
wheel of these cars. No experience or license required.
Super
If you're
nice
into
guy.
soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astro blasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Hello there, friends. If you are planning on leaving us here at this station, please remain fully seated till we come to a full and complete stop. Once again, if you are planning on leaving us at this station, remain seated till we come to a full and complete stop. Tomorrowland Station is closer to Autopia, Space Mountain, Astro Blasters, and Space Star Tours.
It's interesting that they're playing Great Big Beautiful Tomorrow as the music on here.
So good.
Yeah. Looks Banksy. Ducks of a feather fly together. He's got a Mighty Ducks jersey on. The green and yellow and purple.
Howdy, howdy, friends. If you are staying with us for another trip, please do us a huge favor and scoot all the way down, please. Make sure there's no available space. We do have a large party, friends. So please make sure you keep scooting all the way down that bench. Thank you.
Scoot, 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 scoot. Get on the train. Get on the train.
Arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the moving train at all times. Parents, keep an eye out on your little ones, making sure they are also fully seated on their back pockets.
Keep an eye on your
all their
kid,
back
like-
pockets. Also keeping their arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the moving train at all times. Please keep any little ones away from any of our big train openings. Anyone younger than 7 should be behind a bench and or behind a railing or on the lap of an adult. Our next stop is Main Street, USA. But before that,
There's a
we can
Baymax.
trip to the Primeval World and to the Grand Canyon. While in our
Motor
trip,
bike.
there is no flash photography, no light up accessories, no lights up ears, bubble wands, and or ears. I'll see you all on Main Street.
Take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand
didn't know.
Canyon. For your safety,
So this is my favorite
stay
section.
seated with your
Train
hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
Oh dear. Bunch of turkeys.
Fantastic cast of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Do I have something in my teeth? Triceratops. We're gonna get you.
We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come.
Hello there, friends, and welcome back to Main Street USA. If you joined us for our Grand Circle Tour, thank you so very much for joining us, friends. Let it be known that Main Street Station is our only station without a ramp on it, friends. So please make sure you keep your strollers and wheelchairs folded on your way down the stairs. Once again, we do not have a ramp, friends. So please make sure you keep your strollers and or wheelchairs folded on your way down the stairs. Please do not block our stairs at the bottom or at the top of the stairs, friends. Thank you.
Oh, it's mine.
Or the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a Grand Circle tour of
So
Magic
it
Kingdom.
normally is, and then
We'll be
occasionally
stopping
they'll
at
bring back
Baldwin Square,
over California.
Mickey's Toontown,
So.
and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad.
Permanecer
Para su
sentados,
seguridad,
por favor.
permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem
thankful that we
peaceful
just
through
walked
here,
through.
but
All
trust
we have to
me,
do is
it's a
walk.
real
Yeah.
jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails.
But oh, there.
Just ahead is New Orleans Square.
Look, it's a thing
This
with the
station
stuff.
also serves
Yeah, I think
Frontierland
it's
and Bayou Country.
A manatee.
If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated.
It's a wombat.
When the train comes to a
This is
complete
really cool
stop.
right here.
Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
This will be your stop for Adventureland, Frontierland, New Orleans Square, Bayou Country, and closer stop to Star Wars Galaxy
Right.
Edge. This is also your stop if you're looking
Before
for
they
the
moved,
Dino Fire
before they
Showing of
changed the
Fantasmic.
theming
You
for
can find
Tiana's,
House of
we were able to see
Stations
the
of
boat
Rivers of
scene
America.
through the
I'm
train.
going to go exiting here. Quick look.
Now we'll be seeing Tiana's.
Thank you.
There, we'll get our Tiana in. Oh, that's some squeaky. The brake. The tea.
not so shady.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Come on to Tiana's.
We're now entering the Bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the big party Princess Tiana is throwing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is sweet as honey.
Got some good lungs, that kid.
When it comes to sweetness, the inhabitants of the land we're passing
Wow,
over
that's
are
less
the
than like
bee's
one
knees.
was.
Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the
Well, that
Pooh,
was
Tigger,
shitty.
Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their
That was not a
fun-filled
screen in there,
adventures.
At least it's all around here.
Yep.
That was really good
As we
food.
steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty. as
Actually,
far as
Just
it's
the eye
around
can
the
see.
river bend.
In 30 years, it'll be 100. This park. Wow.
It's raining on us. Hey,
Nice butt.
guess what, horse
Wait,
butt?
it's a horse. I think he's circling.
There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below.
There, that means he's going around. What were you saying earlier about the churros and the smell? Like, there's a certain smell to it.
People
or-
like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's
so.
wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
I'm gonna have to charge some of those for you.
What?
I'm gonna have to charge some.
Okay. Foxy.
Thank you.
This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of gear, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live.
Okay, friends, as we're approaching Mickey's Toontown Depot, please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. This will be your stop for all Fantasyland attractions. Just as a reminder, Mickey's Toontown Depot is currently closed in preparation for a fireworks show, but will reopen shortly after. We do have our midnight showing at 8:45 and then our fireworks show immediately after at 9:30. If you're looking to watch that, you can find viewing in front of It's a Small World. Once again, if you'd like to be here, please remain seated until the train has to a full and complete stop. Thank you.
There's both of them.
And friends, if you are staying with us for another trip, we do need everyone to scoot all the way down. Please make sure you are not in the middle of the bench. We have a really quick loading sound time. So right now we need everyone to have us out and scoot all the way down. Please do not sit in the middle of the bench.
But we went all